What do the walls of mobile homes, kitchen furniture elements, and window profiles have in common? They're all bonded using reactive polyurethane hot melt adhesives, or PUR for short. Polyurethane adhesives come with many advantages for the manufacturers to laminate, edge band, and profile wrap a wide variety of substrates. PUR adhesives are used because they adhere instantly and are structurally strong. They can be applied at relatively low temperatures, in general between 120 and 150 degrees Celsius, but develop high temperature resistance up to 150 degrees Celsius. PUR perfectly replaces conventional EVA adhesives. What's more, PUR excels in many regards, with an improved bond strength, higher heat resistance, and perfect resistance against water and steam. The advantage of PUR is immediately visible after having passed the water and steam test. The glue line is still closed with PUR, whilst open glue joints are visible when having used EVA. The PUR hot melt is a moisture-curing adhesive whose molecular weight increases drastically as it reacts with water from the ambient humidity and from the substrate, forming a solid polymer. As always, when operating hot melt adhesive machinery, make sure to follow the directives regarding safety and health. The ambient temperature and that of the workpieces should be 18 degrees Celsius at least. Otherwise, too short open time of adhesive may cause poor adhesion. The wood moisture should be 8 to 12%. Too high moisture causes poor adhesion. Pressure of rollers should be set correctly. Pressure of first pressure roller approximately 2 to 4 bar, and of following pressure roller approximately 3 to 5 bar. The travel of the pressure elements has to be adjusted properly. In case of thin edges, approximately 0.1 millimeters, of thick edges 0.1 to 0.2 millimeters. The application temperature of the hot melt should be adjusted correctly. The temperature measured on the rollers should be the same as recommended in the datasheet. The application weight should be set right. The porous middle layer of particle board has to be filled. Avoid dust. Avoid air draft near the hot melt application system. It might lead to cooling and consequently to poor adhesion otherwise. The hot melt application pot needs to be cleaned regularly. To run PUR hot melts on your standard edge banding machine without the necessity for any investment in special melting equipment, Henkel has developed TECHNOMELT PUR granules. Thanks to this, you can run PUR hot melts right away. The following procedure demonstrates how to switch from EVA to PUR hot melt and back. Empty the reservoir completely. You achieve the best results by filling the PUR directly into the adhesive reservoir. Regarding the suitability of your adhesive reservoir for using PUR hot melts, please consult your edge banding machine manufacturer. Clean the roller from adhesive using a spatula. Lower the application temperature to 140 degrees Celsius and control it accurately. This is to check whether the product is still good to use. Adjust the coating weight by referring to the TDS of the used edge banding hot melt and check the contact pressure. Do not forget to install the exhaustion. If you're going to run PUR hot melts for longer, please do not forget to regularly clean the machine using TECHNOMELT PUR cleaner. This should be done at the end of the shift and before a longer stop, for example, the weekend. Here is a useful tip from our experts. When you start the cleaning before the free weekend, just place a stick in the container and switch off the heating. You will be able to remove the cleaner hassle-free on Monday in one block. To change back to EVA is as easy as upgrading to PUR. Empty the adhesive reservoir completely. Fill in the EVA hot melt into the pre-melter. Increase the heat up to 190 to 210 degrees Celsius, depending on the product. These were our tips and advice on converting to TECHNOMELT. We hope this support can further help you improve your results using TECHNOMELT PUR hot melts and granules, the chance to immediately benefit from higher performance. Henkel. Excellence is our passion.